In today's lecture, we will discuss about the importance, function, significance, and role of water. As you all know that water is the most abundant thing which is present on the earth, and it is also very essential for the life. Life without water is almost impossible. A kind and amount of vegetation, whenever you see your vegetations around yourself, then it basically indicates the amount of water which is present in that area, because kind and amount of vegetation depends on quantity of the water and than any other environmental factor. Water was recognized by early civilizations that this is very important a part of our life, and this is also very important component in our body. If we discuss about the significance of the water or role of water or importance of the water, then it has basically two types of importance: ecological importance and physiological importance. Ecological importance, as the word indicate, ecology means this basically indicates the region or the environment of any area which is basically related with the water. If the region or if an area have an abundant rainfall or excess amount of water, then there will be even distribution of the plants, and that will have forest over there. But if any region or if any area is deficient or have no sufficient water, then there should be drought, or there may be drought or desertic conditions, and grasses will be replaced. If there is no water at all, means if excess water, then that could be forest over there, and if water is in deficient amount, then grasses could be present over there, and if there is no rainfall at all, then desertic conditions could prevail, which also reduce its vegetations. Means in all these ecological areas, the vegetation or type of vegetation is basically dependent on the amount of the water which is present over there. Then physiological importance means that what is the significance and role of water in the development, in the growth of the plant. Water is, as you all know, that basically water is the best solvent and dissolve large number of gases and minerals, and plants which require both gases and minerals, gases for the respiration and minerals for the for growth and development, which these are basically provided to the plant through the help of water. Water is basically very important reactant in the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is basically the production of food using using carbon dioxide and water, and this process could not happen if water is not available, and life on earth is basically present because of this process of photosynthesis. And another importance or another physiological importance of water is that hydrolysis of starch and sugar. As you know that whenever there is a germination in the seed, then the germinating seedling don't have enough energy or enough resources so that to do photosynthesis. So what they use the preserved starch or sugar for their growth and development, and this preserved starch and sugar can only be utilized if it is hydrolyzed into glucose, and this hydrolysis is done with the help of water. And if water is not present, then this hydrolysis will not occur, and then there will be no germination at all. Another importance is that It is very important medium for the occurrence of metabolic processes. Lots of metabolic processes occur in the presence of water. Water is essential for growth and differentiation. Means growth and differentiation is only possible when water is available. Opening and closure of stomata is also related with the water availability and mechanical support to herbaceous plants. As I have told in previous lecture that if herbaceous plants you are seeing herbaceous plants in erect position, then this is because of the phenomena turgidity. And when the plant become turgid, when they absorb water in and then absorb water in sufficient amount, then the plant become turgid and they can stand in erect position, as herbaceous plants don't have woody stem. So this phenomena of turgidity help them in mechanical support, which is also associated with the water. Thank you.